Good morning, children. Welcome to class 4 Social Studies. Chapter 1, The Story of the Past and Evidences in History. The chapter is already over, and all the short answers, long answers, fill in the blanks, extra questions, everything I have given about this chapter. Okay. Then my duty is over, then your duty is left. That is to study well. The coming days and weeks we will have examinations or class tests. So you have to prepare well, okay? Here I have given the short answers and long answers. Then today onwards we will start our revision, okay? Revision work, preparation. So first I will explain the short answers. How will you learn the short answers and long answers for examination? First you read the question and answers 2-3 times, then write the question and answers in a practice copy or a rough copy at least 5 times, okay? Then you will get the answers by heart and you can avoid the spelling mistakes also, okay? So in this way all of you have it, all children have to learn in this way, clear, by writing. Okay, at least 5 times in a rough copy. So look, take out your copy, classwork copy. Short answer type questions, okay. Number 1, why do we need to study about the past? Why do we need to study about the past? We know that study of past is very important because it helps us to understand the present. So the answer is the study of the past is important because it helps us to understand the present. So what is the answer? Why do we need to study about the past? The study of the past is important because it helps us to understand the present. Then how were houses made in ancient India? How were houses made in ancient India? So it is very simple answer. Ancient India, the houses were built of mud, brick and kin-fired. In ancient India, the houses were built of mud, brick and kin-fired. What is the meaning of kin-fired? Baked in furnace, okay, baked bricks. Then name the main empires of medieval India. We have already learned that the main empires of the medieval India are the Rajput kingdom, the Chola empire, the Mughal empire and the great Marathas. Then one more empire is there, the Sultanate empire, that is emerged or started in the beginning of the medieval India. So you no need to write that. The main empires are the Rajput kingdom, the Chola empire, the Mughal empire and the great Marathas. You write that only, okay. Write the correct spellings. Then who was the main freedom fighter during modern India? Who was the main freedom fighter during modern India? Mahatma Gandhi was the main freedom fighter during modern India. Then name the objects preserved as artifact. Which are the objects preserved as artifact? Objects such as pottery, tools. What is meant by pottery? Pots made on clay. Pottery, tools, metal objects, jewelry, ornaments and weapons are the objects preserved as artifacts. Then name the secular literary sources. Which are the secular literary sources? Dharma Sutras, Smriti, Arthashastra and poems of Kalidas are the secular literary sources. Which are the secular literary sources? Dharma Sutras, Smritis, Arthashastra, poems of Kalidas. Clear all of you? Okay. So by writing 5 times, learn all the question answer. Okay. The coming days I will give some questions and you have to do it. Okay. Understood? Bye.